तो हेलो गाइस, आई एम अभिमन्यु कदम एंड यू आर वाचिंग बूस्ट ऑटो एके। तो आज मेरे पास ना ही पेट्रोल गाड़ी है और ना ही डीजल गाड़ी है। आज मैं आपके सामने लेके आया हूँ ऑटोमोबाइल का फ्यूचर इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल, जिसका नाम है इप्लूटो 7G। चलिए इसके बारे में जानते हैं, इसके फीचर्स देखते हैं। कम ऑन, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
Pure Ipluto 7G is the India's premium electric two-wheeler designed to give you the most comfortable ride experience that any scooter possibly can. With its multi-speed smart design, you are in totally control of the ride experience, whether it's daily rides or traffic or long thrill rides. Now many of you will be unknown with the reason behind the name given to this bike company. So let me tell you, the full form of Pure stands for Power Using Renewable Energy. The company is located in Hyderabad, India. The models that company has are Ipluto, E-Trans, Ignite and E-Tron. Now the question which will come to your mind will be mainly are: the first is the range, how long the scooter takes on a full battery charge. Next one is how much time does the scooter takes to charge. The third is the main and important, क्या यह गाड़ी चढ़ाई पर चढ़ सकती है. द नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट इज द टॉप स्पीड एंड द लास्ट वन इज दिस बाइक वर्थ टू बाय, क्या ये गाड़ी खरीदनी चाहिए या नहीं. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट एंड ऑल्सो आई विल टेल यू अबाउट द कंफर्ट एंड मच मोर अबाउट दिस EV बाइक. Now talking about the range, the scooter runs about 120 km in one full charge, which is a great thing. Next thing is that it takes 4 hours to charge fully, which is good thing compared to the 120 kilometers. Now coming towards the uphill driving, क्या यह गाड़ी चढ़ाई पर चढ़ सकती है? The answer is yes. The company claims gradability at 12 degrees, but speaking honestly, the scooter is great on uphill driving. Now the next is its top speed. So this Ipluto 7G goes from 0 to 40 km per hour in 5 seconds. The top speed this scooter has is 65 km per hour, but it differs on the weight which scooter carries. If the weight is less, it can go up to 70 km per hour. Now coming towards the speedometer, the scooter gets a wide LCD screen with multi-speed modes, in which there are 3 switches given for the speed, just like gear. You just have to change the buttons and the speed will go on increasing up to 65 to 70 km. The 3 speed mode Ipluto have are Eco mode, Drive mode and Sports mode. In Eco mode, it has a speed of 35 km per hour and the expected range the scooter can go is 120 km. In Drive mode, it has a speed of 45 km per hour and the expected range the scooter can go is 105 km. And in Sports mode, it has a speed of 60 km and the expected range is 90 km. Talking about the battery, the Ipluto 7G has 2.5 kWh with a portable battery, so there are 2 options of charging. Either you can directly plug the charger to the bike socket, or if it is not possible for you, then you can take out the battery and charge it at home. Now does Ipluto 7G need license? The Ipluto is a low speed scooter which did not need a license registration. The Ipluto 7G which you see here is a high speed variant which can go up to 65 km per hour and you will need a license to ride this scooter. Coming towards the comfort, Ipluto seat is comfortable enough for long rides and the seating posture is also good enough if your height is below 6 feet. Talking about the exterior, the body of Ipluto comes fully in fiber. The reason behind is the fiber has less weight compared to metal, which affects on the motor of vehicle and increases the performance. Now coming towards the main thing, क्या ये गाड़ी हमें खरीदनी चाहिए? Well, honestly speaking, this scooty is one of the best in segment, but with single charge of 4 hours, you can go up to 120 km. So if you are using this scooty for daily use in city or in rural areas, for regular use, this is the best option for you. But if you want a two-wheeler for long rides with more than 120 kilometers, you should keep in mind you need 4 hours to charge, and also the charging stations are yet to be constructed. Overall, this is a great package. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to Boost Auto AK. And tell me in the comment section what you think about EV vehicles.